The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, led by Chief Executive Member Panyait Singh Siem, along with council members and the Siem of Himamalayam Ainam Manik Siem, honoured 24 traditional medicine practitioners at an event held at the council premises in Shillong. During the gathering, Panyait Singh Siem welcomed the practitioners and urged upon them to register with the Khasi Traditional Medicine Committee for official recognition. He also announced the establishment of a Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute in Umyam Barapani, operated by local company Cokes, which will serve as a testing centre for medicinal herbs.
Brenda Singh la itu sakumba arpu sawut te bat hakini kisingi banwan ru ngidang khot application yiki babun kinong sumal dawai tenrai ya ka bakin bu eka application shaka office ke jungi bat ngidon ru ya ka Khasi Traditional Medicine Commission kani ka commission la seng hapo jom kani ka act bat hakani commission la bat chairman da CM te kani ka commission la aibor ban screen lani ban bat benia ban tokit benia ya kini ki application bawan lingba kini ki nong sumar ban yo jing itu te lada dei ki bom shongnya lani ki bom don nong rim ban ai kani ka commission ka kentai ban ai ke jing itu te kamut tang ba ladei kita ki bakam baki de ki nong sumar dawai tenrai ne sumar kenbat kila ban yo lut baro kini serfikir dei dei da ka bangiya daga jingwat benia ti benia ya ka thmei trekam gejongki but hadin kata kani commission kan sa itu dak ba ai kini ka certificate te nakaliang gejongi kum ka executive committee jong ka district council ngi kenturu banang ne shakmat khamtam yiki nongshong shnong jokari khasi rokway teng ki bomdon lakut lat jing sumar ki hospital ki dawai doctor teng ki wan chikini ki nong sumar tenrai ki yo jing khya.
The MDC from Maukan-Ro, Martel Mukhim, expressed admiration for the healing power of local medicinal herbs, noting his personal use of them for various health concerns.
Kanu kalong ka ika mga sinabi ng katrata. Ngalalong kumbalong siya mina mamit Muslim ha. Nakawagis nam siya kawagis nam kasi latong masawasin kawagis tip committee din kumipat. Nila yay persyang daki lakin tim paro kuno penuong aim di kam. Dahadin host nam kalong rai di jom ban mentang nila yo ya kabukun gede kalat ban pentik kena ban pencana ban penskam ya ka cinglong tumi ki doktor ngala banong ki de ki national doktor ki bayo ya ka sap talenta ka cing start mechong hak cing dai ban ki cing smart ya ki Jepang ki stom na benta ban yo ki cing kwai ngalong rubas tenat hadu kata-kata la khaya nga habis nong keba 90% la sumar yang ada di kenat tawai di kenbat but long way ni betip bahasa pagi kenbat di pol beladap terdai kadang mi di sini nang kelat no ikicai dawai tu kom sumar no kat hadu mendapat dang boni kumbat ubang sumar yang melecok.
The Siem of Himamalayam Ainam Manik Siem commended the practitioners for receiving national recognition and certification, emphasizing the value of their knowledge and skills in benefiting the indigenous population of the Khasi Hills region.
Kalong ka ba sutana bantip ba khamtame yapi ki nong sumar tenrai banyo ya ka jing itu kaba la itu ta napo kari India ibro kowe teng pipuar kiba mensua kiba lalino hoi hari si jongi kibun nong suma tenrai don pat kibom kidon pat kiba syupen buat tenang
tang banyo kamay nakapapenbit kumno re kumno jadi sotenat bagani kapuan nakalian ka district council kalas cem gani senjam kapan itu ya pibaro balong ru kani ka certificate balong ru nakabanta kabaha kamian kajong pi baro